Now then, if you're an owner of the Nav 6, which does sometimes act as a, I understand, 700 and odd quid brick nowadays, because it all flickers about, I may have a solution for you. Right? What you have to do... Oh, did I press home? Yeah, do you know what you have to do? You need a very expensive machine to fix it. But you've almost certainly got one at home already. It's called a gas boiler, or airing cupboard, where a gas boiler feeds to a cylinder. What you do is you put your sat nav in there, high up, for about a week, and it seems to fix it. I noticed this last summer, but I didn't realise what was going on. My nav started playing up. And then all of a sudden, after several months, and I just decided to ignore it and just not bother with it at all for navigation purposes. So I ignored it, and I thought that it sort of went into a sulk for a while, and then thought, oh right, yeah, if you're not going to take any notice of me sulking, I'm going to start working again. And what I didn't realise was that self-repair coincided with summer. Where I work, when I went in on my bike, my bike was out in the car park under the full glare of the sun, and that's what must have dried it out. So we'll see how it performs on the way home. So far so good, no dancing about, nothing. This is where I put it, up here.